What's up guys, this is Shan Haider, and in this video we are going to do a benchmarking test comparison between Tecno Camon 30 Premier 5G and the Nothing Phone 2A. So we will see which device is going to be better in terms of hardware specs, test score results as well as in the daily usage. So here we go. So these are the benchmarking applications we got today here on our devices. So first of all, let's start with AnTuTu benchmark. So in this you can see that Tecno Camon 30 Premier scored 942,069 and Nothing Phone 2A scored 722,772. So the winner is Camon 30 Premier. If we go to the individual test score result, here you can compare the result of CPU, GPU, memory and UX, and as you can see, in all of these four, performance of Tecno Camon 30 Premier is better compared to Nothing Phone 2A. So the winner is Tecno Camon 30 Premier. Now if we go to the next test, and that's 3D Mark, it's a GPU benchmarking test and it gives the idea about the gaming capability of the device. So it is divided in multiple parts. If we go to the Still Nomad Lite, and this Tecno Camon 30 Premier scored 634 with average FPS of 4.7, while we got 451 points with 3.34 average FPS. So the winner is Tecno Camon 30 Premier. Now if you go back from here to the Wildlife Extreme, and this Camon 30 Premier scored 1718 with 10.29 average FPS, and Nothing Phone 2A scored 1162 with 6.96 average FPS. So the winner is Camon 30 Premier in Wildlife Extreme as well. Now if we go to the Wildlife, and this Camon 30 Premier scored 6384 with 38.23 average FPS, while we got 4160 points with 24.91 average FPS. So in Wildlife as well, the winner is Camon 30 Premier, and because of this, the gaming performance of Camon 30 Premier will be better compared to the Nothing Phone 2A. And now if you go to the last test for today, that's Geekbench 6. This is divided in CPU and GPU test, and the CPU test is divided in single core and multi-core. So as you can see, Camon 30 Premier 5G scored 1251 in single core and 3878 in multi-core, while we got 1134 in single core and 2509 in multi-core on Nothing Phone 2A. So once again, the winner is Camon 30 Premier 5G. If we go to the GPU benchmarking test, then in this Camon 30 Premier scored 3948 and Nothing Phone 2A scored 3322. So once again, the winner is the Tecno Camon 30 Premier. So as you can get the idea, the hardware specs we got on Camon 30 Premier is better compared to Nothing Phone 2A, and that's why it is performing better in terms of benchmarking test score results. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.